Welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through a complete step-by-step guide to getting started with Pearson VUE. You'll learn exactly how to install the Pearson VUE application, go through the online exam check-in process, and prepare with confidence for the Mortgage Law, Policy, Practice, and Markets exam, CeMAP Unit 1. This video will also show you how I can help you pass the CeMAP exams without hustle, the professional way. Whether you're sitting your exam at home or at a test center, this tutorial will help you understand the full process, avoid common mistakes, and be ready on exam day. If you find this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exam preparation tips, study hacks, and exam day strategies.